burglary which has happened in the court. We have some leads. Basically, it seems like somebody who is well versed with the functioning of the court is involved. There is no forced entry, and from the CCTV recordings we see is like it is not happened in the night. It happened in the yesterday evening. So we think the suspect would have stayed back, and he would have gone he went directly to the place where these old case properties are kept. So that means the suspect was aware, the accused was aware where this property should be lying. So, and we are just evaluating how much is the loss and all. So we are registering that. We have some leads. We are working on it. Already registered.
What is this? Files or gold or money?
No. As of now, we are not. We are just seeing if there it has to be ascertained. But primary the target, it seems like it was the case property. So generally, some money also becomes part of the case property. Gold ornaments also become part of the case property, and it is all stored as the case property. So we think like some money and gold ornaments would have been stored. Intention motive was to steal it. We will see if there is any files also, but as of now, if there is anything else.
The accused involved in making Mizabi of the evidence that the case goes?
No, that we can't say now. As of now, we have called the crime team and all. So we have got some chance prints and all. But the accused's primary intention seems like to steal property, not any files. So if at all is there anything which is missing or something, we will see and we will include in our
regarding security here at the building, will you be writing the any authority for having a stronger security?
It's already very clear. There is a lapse on the part of the security which was manning the whole complex. So I think the concerned department will take action. We will intimate that department.
The room where this robbery has happened, is it a strong room or is it penetrable?
It's not robbery. Okay, it's basically a burglary which has happened. So it's a Nazir room where the case properties are kept. So every case there will be a sealed envelope in which the case properties will be stocked and kept. So in this particular case, there were two almiras in which the case properties were there. He has used some I think screwdriver or something they have used and broke open the almira and taken them. One interesting thing was like the notes are of different so the old notes, the 500 and all, that has not been taken. So that he has tried to sort it out also. So वो उसमें रखा है and बाकी जो valuable है that he has taken. So it almost points out the intention is to steal, not case related. The intention was to steal.
तो CCTV में इसका कुछ किया है?
We are analyzing the CCTV footage and as soon as we get any updates.
सर ये सीरियस नहीं है क्योंकि कोर्ट बहुत पहले से और डिस्प्यूट के गोल्ड भी रहते हैं वो सब.
That actually we have to see. As of now, it is like the intention is to steal. No particular case or anything is it has not come to our notice. The officers of the court and police officers are working together and we are actually ascertain what all the items which are lost, and anything related to any particular case or something, then we will see if that is related to if the accused wanted to target a particular case or particular file. But as of now, it doesn't. It looks like it was like a plan to steal the old case properties which has got gold and some money. As of now, the CCTV there is only one person. We will see if there is another involved, another person.
Who's the complainant for this?
CJM. CJM. And we have registered an affair.
Okay.
Thank you.